In the middle of a vast savannah lived a lion named Leo. Leo was strong and brave, the king of the jungle. But when night fell, Leo felt a little scared. The dark made him nervous, and he would often hide in his den, listening to the sounds outside. One night, as Leo lay in his den, he noticed a tiny light flickering nearby. It was a firefly, glowing brightly in the darkness. "Why are you hiding, Leo?" asked the firefly. "The night is beautiful." Curious, Leo followed the firefly out of his den. Together, they explored the savannah under the starry sky. The firefly showed Leo the glowing flowers and the shimmering stars above. They even met other animals who loved the night, like the wise old owl and the playful bats. As they wandered, Leo realized that the dark wasn't so scary after all. It was full of wonders he had never noticed before. He felt brave and proud for facing his fear. When Leo returned to his den, he wasn't scared anymore. Instead, he was excited to see what new adventures the night would bring. With a happy heart, Leo curled up and fell asleep, knowing that the night could be just as wonderful as the day.